Hi, board certified dermatologist and skin wellness expert Dr. Cynthia Bailey, who also is the lucky owner of some amazing restoration hardware outdoor furniture. And it's really dirty. So I use natural home cleaners that I've developed for hypoallergenic house cleaning chores. And this beautiful restoration hardware furniture that I got on mega sale at the end of season last year is precious to me. It's white also, which is actually really kind of insane because I didn't realize it, but bugs fly over the fabric and poop on it. And so it's been out now for, this is the day after the summer solstice, so it's midday, midsummer. I'm getting a lot of reflected light. So I scrubbed it, it's all perfectly clean. I'm gonna do a final rinse. See how white that is. So it's perfectly white. You can see some of the shadowing just from the stuff underneath, but if you look over to the other ones, you can see how white they are. It's nice and white. And this linen fabric is really great. So my all-natural cleaner is just soap. It's just oils plus lye comes out with soap, and there's no detergents, there's no colorings. There's nothing in here that can discolor the fabric. So I vacuumed the dust, I rinsed off the superficial dirt, and then I scrubbed with a dilute solution of this in water, and then I rinsed it free. And my white special fabric is beautiful. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a lovely setting to enjoy your summer in, and happy cleaning all your outdoor patio furniture. Bye-bye.